Hello there guys, today I'm just making a new video. This is a pretty extraordinary video. This is for the Top Gun math fans out there. I've seen like many people review the movie Top Gun, and Top Gun is a pretty amazing film. I really like the hard work and determination that Tom Cruise and the other cadets had done into flying the planes and the visual effects. The movie, incredibly, it was just awesome. So I just thought, why not like make a fun Top Gun math related questions just for fun. So this is like it's just a video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. This is only for the Top Gun math fans out there. Alright, so I just clubbed together some sort of questions that are related to Top Gun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and just share it with everybody who you know. Otherwise, let's just start with the video. Alright, so the FA-18 Super Hornet is a plane that is flown by Tom Cruise in the movie and has a length of 18 meters, okay? Hopefully this is accurate. Right, so a scale model is made up of the plane. The scale of the model is 1 to 200 ratio. Work out the length of the scale model. Give your answer in centimeters. Now, in order to do this, you have to understand the scale of the model is given. So we know that this is 1 centimeter to 200 centimeters, all right? So it's 1 centimeter to 200 centimeters. So this 1 to 200 ratio means 1 centimeter to 200 centimeters. Alright, so we know that's 200 centimeters. Now, how do we have to convert the centimeters into, let's say, into actual meters. Alright, so in order to do that, you need to know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Alright, so you need to convert the 200 centimeters to meters. So you do 200 centimeters divided by 100 centimeters. Now what happens is this 200 divided by 100, it becomes 2 meters. So 1 centimeter to 2 meters, it becomes automatically 1 centimeters to 2 meters. Now since a plane that Tom Cruise has flown has a length of 18 meters, what we can do is just write 18 meters divided by 2 in terms of the ratio. So you have 18 divided by 2. That should give you 9 centimeters on the grid. Alright? Okay. So the answer is 9 centimeters. That's some good 3 marks that you can score for this Tom Cruise Top Gun question. Alright? Let's move on to the next one. So the diagram shows 2 fighter planes. A is a point on the base of one of the plane, and B is a point on the base of another plane. So I know that these planes don't look great, but this is like a rough diagram for how a plane should look like. So the distance between A and B is 500 meters. The angle of depression of B from A is 23 degrees. Calculate the vertical height of A above B to give your answer to 1 decimal place. Now, in order to do this, they have given us the distance between A and B. So the diagram should show you a distance between A and B. I'm just going to put that as 500 meters. This should be already on the diagram, so it's 500 meters. And we know that the angle of depression of B from A is 23 degrees. And you know depression always starts from that point onwards. And you know the angle of elevation also starts from the below point. So since you know these 2 points, all you need to do, right, is just draw a straight line horizontally or 1 line vertically going downwards. So this is your angle of depression, right? So this 23 degrees is your angle of depression. So once you do that, you have to calculate the vertical height of A above B. So this automatically becomes a triangle, right? Right angle triangle. So you can take out the right angle triangle and you get A and you get B, right? Let me just write that down. So you get A and you get B. So you have 500 meters, not centimeters, meters, and you have 23 degrees. Now in order to solve this, you need to know some keyword called SOHCAHTOA. So it automatically gives you the formulas in one shot. So we know that this is the opposite, We know this AB is the hypotenuse, and we know that this side is the adjacent. Now we have to find out the height. So we have to find out this opposite side. So what's connecting opposite and hypotenuse? That is sine. So you know sine theta is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. Hopefully this should be simple enough to understand. Now you're given the angle is 23 degrees. You just need to do opposite is equal to sine of theta times the hypotenuse. So that is, in this case, that is sine of 23 degrees times the hypotenuse that is given to us as 500 meters. So you have sine 23 times 500. That should automatically give you 195.36. Since they've asked to do it in one decimal place, we can say that is 195.4 meters. Alright, opposite in meters. So this is your answer. This is for some good 3 marks, answering a Top Gun question. 195.4 meters. Alright, let's move on to the final question of the final Top Gun series. Since the FA-18 Super Hornet traveled 100 kilometers at an average speed of 1,915 kilometers per hour, work out how long it took the plane that Tom Cruise has flown to travel the 100 kilometers distance. Give your answer in seconds, correct to the nearest second. Now what I like to do for this question is to remember a triangle formula. It's going to be called DST. So now DST is a triangle that shows us that distance is equal to speed times time. So since we have to find out how long it took the plane, we know that this time is equal to distance divided by speed. Alright, so we know the distance to be as 100 kilometers. We know that, no, actually, we have to find out how long it took, and we know the distance is 100 kilometers, and we know the speed is 1,900 kilometers per hour. So we have to give it to seconds, right? So since you do that, you're going to do 1,915 kilometers per 1 hour per 1 hour. Now how you're going to do this is that you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and you know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So that indirectly shows that 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. Alright, let's just call that seconds, right? 3,600 seconds. So since you know that idea, you're going to do 1,915 divided by 3,600 seconds, which is going to be about 1,915 divided by 3,600 to give you a value of, there's a 0.5319 kilometers per second. Now this is not the answer, so what you need to do is that you know your distance is 100 kilometers, and you know that your speed is now 0.5319 kilometers per second. All you need to do is time is equal to distance 100 kilometers divided by the speed 0.5319 kilometers per second. You're going to have it equal to 100 divided by 0.5319, and that should give you about 188.005. So since it's the nearest second, and you know that the time in seconds, it should be giving you about 1.88 seconds. So this is your final answer till the nearest second. So 188 seconds. This should give you some good 3 marks. Now this seems to be the end of the Tom Cruise or Top Gun series questions. Hopefully this video was really fun. I mean, solving some math questions related to Top Gun. If you guys like this video, enjoyed the video, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel a lot. Otherwise, just keep it simple, guys. And do watch the movie Top Gun. It was really awesome. I've seen it. I really liked it. I mean, it was really awesome. Otherwise, This was a really fun video. I enjoyed this these questions, solving these questions. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well. Do comment below what you guys think about it, and yeah, keep it simple. Bye guys.